Hi, some people ask me, what's the difference in terms of the team size and composition between small and medium-sized consulting partners and the larger platinum or the global system integrator sized partners of Salesforce or Microsoft? With respect to running a project, the roles are still the same. You still need someone to go into the client's organization, understand what they do, understand what they want, ask the right questions, elicit the right requirements, write them down. These are called requirements gathering. Write them down in a way that can be understood and sets the expectations correct to say, this is what we understand your issues are, and this is what we're going to build, and this is what we're going to do to help to address those problems. So the business analysis side. You need someone to also do the initial configuration, create the data models, create the database, not the database, the tables, and the relationship between them. You may need to also configure the process workflows, the automation side of things that generally now can be done without code. You may need someone to also do the coding in order to develop custom solutions that are not entirely out of the box. You also need people to do the testing, to do the training, and also you need someone to help manage customer expectations or the project management role. In larger organizations, these different roles might sit in different people. You could have one dedicated project manager. You may have one or more functional consultants. So they are the people who go and do the configuration. You may need a whole team of developers or testers, and even a scrum master if you're running it in a more agile manner. What happens if you have a smaller partner, smaller company? Those roles don't disappear, but you may find one person doing more than one role. You can have a small team of 2 or 3, project manager, functional consultant, and a developer, or even right down to one, especially for the small size projects, the quick starts, 5, 10, 15, 20-day projects, where you have one person doing the project management role, the business analysis role, the configuration role, the tester, the trainer, the deployment, and then managing the client relationship all the way through. What's the difference then in terms of career? Should you go for a smaller company or a larger company? Totally depends on what you want, what you're looking for. I will say this though, larger companies are really good if you want to niche down and hone on your craft. You just want to be known for being the CPQ specialist, for example, or the lightning dude person who does all the lightning web components really, really well. The smaller companies, you can expect to wear many hats, and that's great for building and sharpening your soft skills, conflict management, managing the clients, managing expectations, holding boundaries, and delivering well. And these are the skills that will stay with you as you move up, move out, a larger corporation, or to different roles, because that allows you to help manage the people side of things. So it totally depends on what you're looking for in a consulting role. I hope you found this useful, and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.